Forgot your T-Mobile voicemail PIN? No problem. T-Mobile has streamlined the process. The primary and fastest method is through the T-Mobile app, available on iOS and Android. Open the app, navigate to voicemail settings, and select Forgot PIN. You'll be prompted for identity verification, such as entering the last four digits of your SSN or account number. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a new PIN. This method usually takes under 5 minutes and is available 24/7. If the app method fails, you can call 611, T-Mobile's customer service line, for assistance, but expect longer wait times. T-Mobile now requires two-factor authentication for PIN resets. This adds an extra layer of security, verifying your identity via SMS, email, or biometrics. T-Mobile now requires two-factor authentication for PIN resets. This adds an extra layer of security, verifying your identity via SMS, email, or biometrics. Remember, your voicemail PIN protects sensitive information, so never share it. Choose a unique and strong PIN, ideally 6 to 8 digits. Enable app notifications for reset confirmations to stay informed. If you manage multiple lines with T-Mobile digits, you can reset PINs for all of them within the app. Be cautious of phishing attempts mimicking reset prompts. Always use the official T-Mobile app or website. As a security trend, consider using biometric unlocking if your device supports it, potentially reducing reliance on PINs altogether.